Hello, everyone. It's Moinin Amina from LTech. Are you a college student experiencing LinkedIn fear of missing out? You are not alone. With more recruiters using LinkedIn to find talent, it is crucial to have an impressive profile. For those unfamiliar, LinkedIn is a platform where you can connect with colleagues and potential employers. It is a great place to find jobs, learn new skills, and share insight about work and careers. So, let's ensure your LinkedIn profile stands out for all the right reasons. In this video, I will share essential tips to help you create an outstanding LinkedIn profile. Whether you are a freshman or a senior, these strategies will enhance your visibility and make you shine to prospective employers. Let's dive in. Tip number one, add the profile photo and background photo. First impressions are important, and having a strong profile photo can increase the chances of your LinkedIn profile being viewed by 21 times. Ensure that your photo looks professional, yet approachable. And by the way, do you think my photo is approachable? Let me know in the comments. For your background photo, feel free to get creative. Choose an image that reflects your interest or career goals. For example, my background photo represents my passion for using technology in education to make learning more accessible and inclusive. Step number two, turn on Open to Work feature. LinkedIn introduced a feature during the pandemic that enables individuals actively seeking job opportunities to signal this by adding a profile photo frame labeled Open to Work. Users who have this frame are 40% more likely to receive messages from recruiters. To activate the Open to Work frame, click on your profile picture, select frames, and choose Open to Work. Step number three, write a strong elevator speech. Your about summary act as your elevator pitch. In 5 to 7 sentences, you should convey what potential employers need to know about you. Focus on insight gained from your experiences, such as volunteering, sport, or family care. For example, my about summary blends my professional background with personal insight, highlighting my passion for education, mentoring, and making a difference. Additionally, highlight your soft skills. Employers increasingly prioritize skills such as problem solving, time management, communication, and teamwork. Ensure these soft skills are prominently featured in your profile. Step number four, use keywords wisely. Keywords are essential for making your profile searchable on LinkedIn and Google. To enhance your visibility, read job descriptions in your feed and incorporate relevant keywords related to the skills and interests that employers are looking for into your About section and experience description, provided, of course, if you genuinely possess those skills. For example, my About section and experience descriptions include keywords like technology integration, instructional design, and many more, which help recruiters find me more easily. Step number five, make meaningful connections. When it comes to connections, quality is more important than quantity. LinkedIn offers numerous groups organized by interest areas, such as independent filmmaking, marketing, instructional design, and many more. Joining these groups can help you network with individuals who share similar interests. More so, You can take advantage of LinkedIn's University Alumni Network to connect with potentially helpful professionals. To do this, visit your university's LinkedIn page, for example, LT, and search for alumni by title, keywords, or company. Remember, when reaching out to alumni or professional, always personalize a message. Clearly state your purpose and ask thoughtful questions. The same principle applies when commenting on posts. Be genuine. Tip number 6. Add contact information. Don't rely solely on LinkedIn messaging system. Add your email or other contact details to make it easier for employers to reach you. That is it. LinkedIn has made it easy for college students. Remember, the profile doesn't need to be perfect, but following these steps would help you stand out from the crowd. If you found this video helpful, please check out my next video on tips for sharing passports safely. Let me know in the comment what your biggest LinkedIn question is. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.